Hey everyone, today we're showcasing the Qeeenar 24-piece Christmas gift basket kit that is perfect for holiday gifting. This set includes 24 black and white baskets, plastic bags, and pull bows, making it easy to create beautiful gift presentations. Each basket measures about 9.8 by 8.5 inches at the top and is sturdy enough for candies, treats, and more. The festive Christmas design adds a special touch to your gifts, making them stand out at any occasion. These baskets are versatile for birthdays, weddings, wine gifts, and charity events, offering endless creative possibilities. Made from quality paper and durable plastic, they protect your gifts while looking elegant. Just add your gifts, slide the basket into the bag, tie the bow, and you have a charming, ready-to-gift basket. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.